2017 Prestige Football. Let's get it cracking. 40 cards per pack, big old jumbo packs, 4 packs per box. 160 cards there. It's a lot of cards. You got 4 autos per box on average. Very cool. Let's roll with it. All right, there they are. Box is made. Sort of. Doesn't want to fold in right there, does it? There we go. Slide it in slightly. All right. Pack 1. These things are jumbo. I dig it. So obviously, one hit in every pack. Let's take just a little stack of it here, so we're not fumbling around with a huge stack. There we go. Willie Snead, Isaiah Crowell, Jonathan Stewart. Let's check out the back of these cards. Pretty cool design. As usual, Prestige, very photo heavy. Will Fuller, Von Miller, Drew Brees, Paul Perkins, Jared Goff, Tevin Coleman, and what do we have here? Corey Davis, extra points, 63 of 150. Cool looking card. Start rolling into our rookies. Carl Lawson. We finally have the NFL team names that they were drafted on and the logo. Thank you. It's about time. I was tired of seeing all the college stuff. Still college uniforms, but at least there's something there. Dolphins rookie. Dory Jackson. Titans. Jonathan Allen. Redskins. Another Eagles. Malik McDowell. More Eagles. All kinds of Eagles in here. Corey Davis. Titans again. Jamal Williams, Packers. First insert, NFL Passport, Mike Williams. Very cool card. We're used to seeing those in Prestige every year. Digging on that. The blue chip prospects are back as well. Corey Davis. Banner season, Richard Sherman. Connections, Ryan Tannehill and Jarvis Landry. Good old Dak Prescott right there. Cowboys uniform on the back. Another nice insert. Stars of the NFL, old school. And now we're going back to some base cards. Jason Pierre-Paul, Terrence West, Mariota, Duke Johnson, Jack Doyle, Amari Cooper, Brock, Torrey Smith, Ted Ginn, Curley, Kobe Fleener, and Will Tye. And now it is time for our first auto. Let's see what it is. At least I think it's our first auto. Dolphins. There we go. 28 of 100. Dolphins rookie, McMillan. Sticker auto. He doesn't have a very good sig, that's for sure, but that's all right. All right, so now that we got the look down, we got a lot of cards to go through, so we'll roll through it a little bit quicker. Langford, Tavon, Rogers, Tyrod Taylor, Greg Olson, DeAndre Hopkins, Gresham, Jordy Nelson, Landon Collins, Derek Carr. Sounds like he's coming back nicely from that injury. This is going to be our second auto. Oh, nope, that's right. We have the extra points card first. 19 of 100. Niners rookie. Kevin King rookie. Smith-Schuster. Greg Ward. James Conner. Mike Williams. Dupree. Carlos Henderson. Ingram. Cameron Sutton. Ooh, we got an Isaiah Ford. That's cool. Not bad. Digging on that. Rookie for the Dolphins. Not numbered, but that's cool. Now we got all kinds of inserts. Big board. Banner season, Carson Wentz. NFL passport. Hardware, Hunter Henry. Connections, Matthew Stafford and Golden Tate. And we got the Todd Gurley. Back to some base cards. LaShawn McCoy, Rodgers, Kaepernick, Jordan Reed, Kenny Stills, Decker, Pitta, Robert Kelly, Chris Conley, and Matthew Stafford. So that was pack 2. I'm hoping we get a vet auto. I've seen a couple of them pulled. They're nice. I'd like to get one. Emmanuel Sanders, Robert Woods, Edelman, Cameron Meredith, Alan Hearns, Devontae Booker, Benjamin McKinnon. Very nice. Extra points, LaShawn McCoy, and look at that super short print. 15 of 25. Very nice. And we got another one. Paul Perkins. 51 of 150. So that's cool. We got 2 extra points in that pack. On to some rookies. Jamal Adams. There we go. Taco. Tim Williams. Charles Harris. Quincy Wilson, Marshawn Lattimore. Save our auto. Blue chip prospects, that's a sweet one. Digging on that. Banner season, Zeke. There we go. To the PC. Corey Davis. Nice. Stars of the NFL, Barry Sanders. That is a sweet card. Hardware, Jordan Howard. Connections, John Elway and Vance Johnson. That's cool. Golden Tate, Witten, Matthews, Antonio Brown, Tyreek Hill, Joe Flacco, Brian Quick, Freeman, Mark Ingram, John Brown, and I dropped poor Tyler Lockett. That's okay. We got a rubber mat down. Saves the cards. And our next auto, there we go. We got a Draft Day SIG on-card auto. That is sweet. I think on the side of the box. Yeah, it says, look for on-card autographs, Draft Day signatures. And we got one. I like the red ink. Put his number on there. Pretty messy signature, but it's better than just 1 or 2 letters. That is cool. I'm digging on it. All right, last pack. A lot of cards, man. Travis Kelce, Josh McCown, Kenny Britt, Darren Sproles, Mike Glennon, Delaney Walker, Jordan Howard, Antonio Gates, D'Angelo Williams, J.J. Watt, David Johnson, Eddie Lacy. Our extra points card is Virgil Green. It's at 67 of 100. Definitely digging on those. Gerard Davis. John Ross, there we go. Starting to get a good collection of John Ross. So that's cool. Digging on that. Joshua Dobbs. Stewart. Malik Hooker. Marquez White. Cowboys right there. Desmond King. Gerard Evans. Save our auto again for last. Sterling Shepard, banner season. Big board, Dalvin Cook. Banner season, J.J. Watt. Jordan Howard. And stars of the NFL, Tony Romo. Hardware, Carson Wentz. Back to some more base. Mike Wallace, Dwayne Allen, Big Dez, Chris Ivory, Casey Hayward, Hayward Bay, Doug Baldwin, Le'Veon Bell, Joey Bosa, and Doug Martin. And now for our last auto. Let's do a roll out of this one just because it's the last one. You can take that Kid Reporter card if you want. Who's it going to be? Broncos. Oh, I know who that is. Jake Butt. 23 of 150. Not bad. He might turn out pretty good for the Broncos. So there you have it. Quick recap. I'm not going to go crazy and show you all of them because there's a ridiculous amount of cards. But nice stack of inserts. A lot of good ones in there. The designs are pretty nice this year. But look at this stack of rookies. Man, that's a ton of rookies in a box. Very cool. We got that banner season Zeke. Digging on that. Extra point cards. We got Virgil Green, Paul Perkins, the sweet LaShawn McCoy, 15 of 25. A rookie and another rookie, Corey Davis, 63 of 150. And then we got the 4 autos. That one's not bad. Isaiah Ford, not numbered. McMillan, 28 of 100. And then we got a draft day Sigs. Sweetness. Digging on that on-card auto. There you have it. Check us out on Twitter at JamminJDCards. Please, guys, like and subscribe. We'll keep cranking out videos. We got some new stuff coming up that I think will be a lot of fun. Take it easy, and thank you guys for watching.